Hey, let me show you the best way to capture the macro photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. So in this smartphones, you cannot actually find the dedicated macro modes. And some people recommend you to turn on the 50 megapixel mode. But in my opinion, I'm gonna just show you my results. This photo was actually taken with the 10x zoom, and this one was taken with the 5x zoom, but on the 50 megapixel mode. And in my opinion, there's like definitely less details than when we take a look right here. So let me show you. First of all, we have to remember about the good lighting condition and hold our phone steady. Now, just open this zoom slider. Try to zoom in as much as you can, but try to avoid lens switches like this. I'm gonna try to put it a little bit closer, but now it looks like it is out of the focus, so I have to put it a little bit higher, like this, for example. There we go, and the photo was taken, and as you can see, that's how it looks. We can find some details. You can also try to turn on the flashlight, but it is not working always. There we go, it was taken, and now that's actually the photo with without the flashlight and with flashlight. So in my opinion, this one looks better. So yeah, that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.